Vamos a bailar.
It's a dream. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed that Christmas glam. This look did take a little bit longer than what I was wanting, but it is a full-on glam look, well, what I consider full-on glam look. I spent a little bit more time on my blending and making sure everything kind of came together, but I really love the way it turned out. I hope you guys did as well. Let me know if you recreate it or whatever you like about it. Just drop a comment down below and let me know. Also, don't forget about my Christmas giveaway. I want everybody to have a chance to enter that, so I'm going to be linking that video. I'll link it right up here for you guys, make it easier for you. Also, if you have any ideas or anything that you want me to try to recreate or try out any new products, drop a comment down below and I'll see what I can do on that. But like I said, I hope you guys all like this look. If you do recreate it, make sure you tag me and let me know. But alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you can be notified every time I post a video. I hope you all enjoyed the look. Happy holidays. Thanks so much for the support.